everyone! Welcome back to the English Friend. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics friends. You'll learn how to describe your friends, talk about their personalities, what you do together, and even how to ask others about their friends. All in simple English.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack, and I'm super excited about this one because, well, I have some interesting friends.
Oh, really? We'll see how you describe them in English, Jack. So, if you've ever wanted to say things like, my best friend is funny, or I like hanging out with my friends, then stay till the end. You'll sound like a natural English speaker by the time we finish.
And don't forget, we'll also do a fun practice section and a vocabulary list at the end. Let's go.
So, Jack, let's start simple. Can you tell me about your best friend?
Sure. My best friend's name is Tom. We've been friends since school. He's funny, honest, and really good at football.
Nice! That's a great start. So, viewers, when you talk about your friends, you can use this structure. My friend is adjective. Examples. My friend is kind. My best friend is funny. My friend is very smart.
So I can also say, my friend is lazy, right?
Ha 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 ha. Yes, you can, but say it kindly. Maybe, my friend is a little lazy. Using a little makes it sound softer. Now, Jack, what do you usually do with your friends?
We play games, watch movies, and sometimes eat out.
Perfect. So we can say, I hang out with my friends. We go to the park. We talk about everything. We study together.
I like hang out. It sounds cool and casual.
Exactly. Hang out means to spend time with someone for fun. Example, I hang out with my friends after school.
Okay, I get it. Can I say I hang out my friends without with?
Good question. No, never say, hang out my friends. Always say, hang out with my friends. Let's learn some questions you can ask about friends. For example, who's your best friend? What do you like about your friend? What do you do together? How often do you meet?
Sarah, can I ask, what is your friend like? I've heard that before.
Ah, yes. Great question. What is your friend like? Means, tell me about your friend's personality. Example, my friend is funny and talkative. She's friendly and helpful, but be careful. What does your friend like? Means something different. It's about interests. Example, she likes music and cooking.
Wow, so just one word. Does changes the meaning completely.
Exactly. English can be funny that way, right? Let's learn some useful adjectives to describe friends. Ready, Jack?
Ready.
Okay, here are some. Word. Meaning. Example, friendly, kind, easy to talk to. My friend is very friendly, funny. Makes people laugh. She's really funny and tells great jokes. Honest, tells the truth. I trust him because he's honest. Helpful. Likes to help others. My friend is helpful, talkative, likes to talk a lot. She's talkative but fun, shy, quiet and careful. He's shy but very kind, creative, full of new ideas. She's a creative artist, smart, intelligent. My best friend is smart, loyal, always supports you. A loyal friend is hard to find.
That's a lot. I think I'm a mix of funny and lazy.
That's okay. We all are sometimes. Let's talk about how often you see your friends. You can say, I see my friends every day. I meet my friends once a week. We talk all the time.
What if I don't see my friend often?
Then you can say, I don't see my friend very often. Or, we talk online sometimes. Now let's practice storytelling. Tell me about a fun memory with your friends.
Once my friends and I went on a trip to the mountains. It was cold, but we had so much fun playing music and camping together.
That sounds amazing. So you could say, I had a great time with my friends. We laughed a lot. It was an unforgettable trip.
Can I say we enjoyed ourselves?
Yes, that's perfect English. It means you had fun. All right, friends. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'll say a sentence, and you say it aloud. 1. My best friend is funny. 2. We hang out after school. 3. I like spending time with my friends. 4. We play games together. 5. I don't see my friends every day, but we talk online.
Now try changing the sentences. For example,
My best friend is funny.
my best friend is kind.
We play games together.
We study together.
Excellent. Keep practicing with your own sentences. Let's review today's important words and phrases. Word phrase, meaning example. Best friend, your closest friend. My best friend is Tom. Hang out, spend time with someone. I hang out with my friends. Honest, tells the truth. My friend is honest, friendly. Kind and welcoming. She's friendly to everyone. Talkative, likes to talk. He's talkative, but funny. Shy, quiet and not very social. My friend is shy, funny, makes others laugh. My best friend is really funny, loyal, always supports you. Loyal friends stay with you. Memory, something you remember. I have great memories with my friends. Spend time, use time with someone. I love spending time with my friends. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. How to describe friends using adjectives like kind, funny, smart, shy. How to talk about activities. We hang out, we watch movies, we study together. How to ask questions. Who's your best friend? What do you like about your friend? And how to share memories and feelings about friendship.
So now we can talk about our friends easily in English.
Exactly. And remember, friends make life better. And learning English with friends makes it even more fun. Before we go, here's my quick tip for you. Talk about your real friends in English every day. Say simple sentences like, I'm meeting my friend today. My best friend is funny. My friends and I are playing football. Even if you just talk to yourself, it helps you think in English.
And you can comment below. Tell us about your best friend. We'd love to read about them.
Thank you for joining today's class on The English Friend. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling, keep learning,